Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi and welcome to my channel Mundodi Vlogs. So my dear friends, today I have my 2016 Standard 350 with me, and it's been quite some time that I have been noticing that the rear brake is not very effective. I feel it's a little bit on the spongious side. Also, the chain is making lots of noise even after lubrication. The sprocket seems to be fine, but the chain seems to be like it's completely worn off. And for your information, I have used my bike for around 38,000 kilometers now, and the bike is still running on its stock chain sprocket set. Yes, you heard it right. The bike is still running on its chain sprocket set, which came straight away from the factory. So in today's video, we will address all these issues. The power socket wrench is really making the work easier for the mechanic. Also, if you can see, he's being really careful so that he doesn't scratch the exhaust. So the exhaust what I'm using is called the pea shooter exhaust, and it's an official Royal Enfield exhaust. Okay. Oh god, the brake liner has completely dismantled itself from the brake shoes, and that's the reason why the brake was very ineffective. Now he's cleaning the drum plates using diesel. Okay, now it's pretty clean. Now he is cleaning the brake drum using sandpaper so as to remove any rust. It seems like the wheel bearing has also worn off, so he's removing it. If you observe, the rear sprocket is in pretty good condition and all the teeth are intact. So we came to an assumption that the front sprocket might also be in good condition. And that's the reason we decided only to replace the chain. And this is the new chain from the brand called Roll-On. And this is the new brake shoes. And this is the wheel bearing. Here he is applying grease to the wheel bearing and it's been installed on the drum. It's always a good practice to apply some grease on the dust cap of the wheel bearing and other related components so that it will extend the lifespan of the wheel bearing if there is any water ingress or dust ingress. Now he is applying some grease on the brake cam to facilitate smooth operation, but make sure to apply just a little bit or else it might melt and it will enter the brake drum and will definitely compromise the braking. Now it's time to install the new chain, and there's a trick to install the chain without removing the right hand side cover. For that, all you have to do is attach the new chain to the old chain using the link and then just rotate the sprocket or pull the chain so that the new chain will attach itself to the front sprocket along with the old chain. And there you go. Look how easy it is. And in case if you decide to replace your bike's chain, make sure that the new chain what you're purchasing should have the exact same number of pitches just like on your old chain. Now on my bike it's 100 pitches, but on bikes like Bullet 500 it will be 102 pitches. So make sure to purchase the right chain. Here we are removing the air filter and the air filter box because we noticed that the swing arm chain protector or the chain buffer has completely worn off and that needs to be replaced. In case if you neglect it, you will hear metal to metal scraping noise and the wear and tear of the chain will increase. Also the swing arm will spoil over time because of the grinding effect. Make sure that you install the right pad because the standard 350 swing arm pad is comparatively lengthier than that of the classic 350. So that's it for today friends. I hope you have found my video to be informative and interesting. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel Mundodi Vlogs for more such informative and interesting videos in the future. Thank you friends.